Hello, my dear students. I'm going to explain the syllabus from Excel. Okay, the question here it is, you have to create an Excel sheet and you have to find different functions such as, based on the information given, you have to find the functions such as sum, count, average, maximum and minimum. And also you have to use the function if. Okay, so the question here it is items purchased. So the items here it is listed pen, pencil, eraser, and number of items are 3, customer 1, customer 2, customer 3, customer 4, and the owner of that shop, he wants to check how many pencil they per day the customer buy, how many pen they buy, how many eraser they buy. Customers buy it like that. He wants to find out the total and he wants to check whether it is a profit or loss. Then you can see here, and at the end he wants to calculate the all items, the sum of all items altogether, how much is the value, and you can see the average of item purchased. So based on the total average they will find out maximum of the pencil. See, maximum of the pencil, only for pencil what is the maximum price, minimum of eraser, the minimum price of the eraser you have to find, how many items are there in the list. So please listen to me carefully. So first of all we are going to find out the total of the pen. Okay, the owner of the shop, he wants to find out the sum of the pen, okay. So what we are going to do, so based on the equation equal to sum. Okay, so the customer 1 purchased 5, customer 2 purchased 20, customer 3 purchased 10, 4 he purchased 25 25. So we are going to calculate what is the total sum per pen. Okay, so what we have to do, the customer 1, it is the name of the customer 1 cell, column name is G, and the cell number here it is 77. So G 77 is to up to where we have where the owner want to purchase 4 customers purchased pen on that day. So up to customer 4 he has to check. So what is the column name of customer 4? It is J, and what is the row number? It is 77, and press enter. So if you calculate the first one, okay, then it is very easy to calculate the remaining items. Okay, sum. So just keep the cursor on the corner of the cell and you have to drag it using your mouse. Okay, then after finding out the total, the owner wants to check whether the total of the pen sell on the day is a profit or a loss. So for that, what they have to do means, if the total, this is the condition here it is, if the total is greater than 60, if the sum of the total is greater than 60, for example I am going to change here just like 20. Okay, so if the sum of the total is greater than 60, then high, otherwise it is low. Okay, I want to check. Okay, if it is greater than the sum, it is 60, or the total, if per item, if it is greater than 60, it is a profit for that item to the owner, otherwise it is loss. So what I am going to do, equal to if, we will use the function if, and what we will check, if, okay, see what is the column name of total? K. Okay, K, and I want to check whether the first item is profit or loss, whether the item pen is a profit or loss. What is the cell number? What is the row number here? 77 is greater than or equal to 60, or greater than 60, equal to greater than 60, then profit, close the quotes, comma, otherwise else loss, and close the bracket, and you have to press the enter. Then again I will show you equal to if, okay, if of the owner wants to check whether the item pencil is a profit or loss on that day. So if what is the total of the pencil, the column name of the total here, K, okay, and the row number of pencil, that is 78, okay, it is greater than 60, okay, then what, comma, profit, okay, else loss, and you have to close the bracket. So if you understand, so what you have to do, instead of finding like this, if you find out the first value, just drag down, okay, just drag down, okay, then you can able to find out the answer very easily. Instead of typing again the equation or the function equation, then you can, if you find out the first value, okay, answer correctly using the equation, then drag it down just. Then you can see the first question here, it is written like find the total of each item purchased. So you can see the total of each item 70, 36, 46. So I want to check the total, okay, total of each and every item. So what we will use, sum of okay, sum of okay, the total column name is what, K, okay, from where to where we have to calculate from row number 77 to 79. K 77 is to K what, 79, and you have to press enter. So I got the total of each and every, all items, pen, pencil, eraser, all total, how much I got, I can able to find out. Then average. So how I will find out average, using the equation average, okay, of the total. What is the column name of the total? K. Okay, from where to where you have to find out, from row number 77 to 79 to 79. Okay, and press okay, no, see one mistake, K 79, okay, and you have to press enter. So the average of the total of all item is 50.66. Then maximum, for example, see the question you see here, maximum of what, pencil. See, not the customer 1 or customer 2, maximum of what, the item pencil. See the maximum of the item. So first customer purchased 2. The total amount he paid to customer, how many pencil he bought, 10, customer 3 bought 8, and fourth customer 16. So the owner wants to find out who purchased the maximum, which customer purchased the maximum. For example, for that equal to max of, okay, so what is so you have to find out the maximum from where to where, from customer 1 to customer 4 he has to find out, only for what, pencil. So what is the customer 1 column name, that is G, and row name 78. G 78 is to, up to where we have to find out for pencil, customer 4 column name, what is that, J, okay, 16, J, see J, and what is the column name, what is the row number, it is 78, and you have to press enter. Then the same thing equal to, the question is minimum of the eraser. So the eraser of minimum, okay, for 15, 7, 20, okay, who purchased the minimum, okay, which customer, owner wants to check whether which customer purchased the minimum. So for that equal to min of, okay, customer 1 column name is what, G, okay, and the row number is 79 is to, okay, up to where you have to find out, customer 4 J, okay, J what, 79, okay, and you have to press enter. And how many items are there in the list? How you will find it, equal to count, okay, in the list. So from the serial number, I am going to, what is the column name of serial number, count of E, okay, from where to where you have to find, 77 to 79. E 77 is to E 79, you need to press the enter. Okay, like this you have to find out. So thank you.